In this video, we will show you how to outside mount your new Latour Roller Shade with Smart Home Collection motorization. First, we will demonstrate how to install an open roll shade. Mount the shade installation brackets using the provided screws. For outside mount brackets, install them straight back into the wall or window frame. Make sure that the brackets are leveled and aligned. To install the shade, insert a spring-loaded pin end into the round hole of the bracket. Push the shade toward the pin end to compress the spring. Line up the hooks on the opposite end of the shade with the two vertical slots in the bracket. Allow the spring to release, the hooks to drop, and engage into the slots securely. Locate the bracket covers and install them onto the installation brackets as shown. Next, we will demonstrate how to install the shade with a contoured valance. Mount the shade installation brackets using the same steps as an open roll shade. The contour valance installation brackets come in two pieces, the insert and the receiver. Mount the receiver end of the valance installation brackets to the mounting surface using the provided screws. Ensure that they are all evenly spaced and level. Take the insert pieces of the valance installation brackets and line them up behind the valance, ensuring they're spaced out the same distance as the receivers. Line up the notch on the insert with the groove on the back of the valance itself. Turn the insert sideways to allow the notch to fit inside the groove. Once inserted into the groove, rotate the insert 90 degrees to the upright position. This will lock the insert into place. Repeat with the rest of the inserts. Next, install the shade using the same steps as the open roll shade. To install the contoured valance, take the valance and line up the bracket inserts with the bracket receivers. If they do not line up properly, the inserts can be easily adjusted by rotating them, moving to the correct position, and rotating back. With all of the pieces lined up, slide the inserts into the receivers. You should hear a click sound, which ensures they are locked into place. Insert the provided corner piece into the groove on the back of one of the returns. Insert the other side of the corner piece into the groove on the valance. Repeat for the other side. Lastly, we will demonstrate how to install the shade with a deco fascia. The deco fascia installation brackets come in three pieces: the magnet deco fascia bracket insert, bracket receiver, and the magnet clip. One note, the deco fascia will arrive with the magnet clips pre-attached to the back side of the deco fascia. Using the magnet clips on the back of the fascia as your guide, install the bracket receivers to the mounting surface using the provided screws. Next, mount the installation brackets and install the shade using the same steps as an open roll shade. Once the shade is installed, slide the bracket inserts into the bracket receivers. Attach the magnet clips on the backside of the deco fascia to the magnets on the front of the bracket receiver. You can fine-tune the position of the magnets to ensure they line up. Make sure that everything lines up and is level. Finally, install the returns. The color-coordinated plastic returns will slide onto the end of the fascia, while metal returns will require the included plastic corner connector. Be sure that you are inserting the corner connector in the correct direction.